Okay, Valet 2319. So, strongest, well, highest rated opponent so far. Right. I wonder about knight f5 actually here. I suppose d5, g4. Could be interesting. I'm going to try it. I think there was something in one of my chess books about this very, sharp line here, where white maybe sacrifices the knight on f5 after g6. It's a sharp, dangerous position. I think maybe it's g5, g6, g5, and maybe g5 here. If knight e4, maybe knight g7 check. This is all very, very, very sharp already. It's good fun. Bishop f5, ef5, dc, queen d8, gf. I don't know really what's going on, but maybe the black king in the centre isn't going to be great there. Okay. So I want ef, getting that nice light square with bishop. I think so. Then bishop g2 might be great with any luck. Okay, I'll take here. So I'm hoping bishop g2. B3 or f takes g7, takes king d1. He has to move the rook. The bishop takes b2. Oh, hang on. Takes king d1. He's got check or knight check. Under promote to a knight. So basically, what about king e2 though? King e2. There's knight and c6 and stuff. So b3 is looking more and more tempting, as if hang on, fg takes king e2, takes on c1, takes. If the rook moves, it's always going to be like, isn't there going to be like f6? I doubt it. Right, b3 it is. Maybe bishop h6 to g7 anyway. Bishop h6 is dangerous, and then castle in queen side. Stopping that immediately. Okay, castle queen side anyway. Bishop d3. Okay, f4, just trying to peel open things. As long as my bishop doesn't get trapped on h6. Okay. He seems to have things under control. Bishop c4. Bishop e2. Bishop e2. Alright, black does look solid. Is it that solid though? Is it? Maybe, rook d4 could be dangerous. Rook e4 takes on e5 one day. The h pawn is vulnerability maybe. Okay. I think rook here. To keep hold of the h2 pawn. Actually, there's a threat now. Bishop f3 because of that pin. Bishop f3 and bishop takes b7. bishop a3 check doesn't alter anything, does it? King b1. I don't think so. So bishop f3 now. Why not? Okay, so rook f2, rook f2, bishop b7. Well, the bishop's nice. You can go back on d5. Protecting g2 is useful anyway. Also, bishop f4 when at the right moment. Oh, okay. Giving up. Do I want to take the exchange, or can't see anything better? Okay, I'm just going to take the exchange and bishop f4 to get rid of that monster knight. Get rid of the monster knight. I know this pawn's a bit monstrous as well. This pawn. To undouble the pawns, I mean that knight, to leave it there. Mind you, there's rook e3, b4, there's rook h3 there. I think getting the rook to h3 might be good. Or even bishop g3, almost like traps that rook. But rook h3 is more doing something active. Right, bishop g3 now, maybe. I want to keep that bishop. This knight on e5 is going to kill me later. This h pawn though is now probably quite dangerous. I'll keep that being pinned. h4, maybe I'm threatening rook b4 one day. Rook d4 threatens rook d6, bishop e5. Okay, bishop f4 now. Or rook here. So you've got 30 seconds. It's strange. I mean, for such a high-rated player to be playing so slowly, it seems. But he's probably gonna. Oh dear, this is looking grim all of a sudden. Let's get out of this with a3. c8. I'll try and pressurize b4. Oh, so much for that. Oh God. Am I losing all my pieces now? Can't move the bishop anywhere, it seems. This hasn't been that great. Oh God. Okay, maybe the A pawn comes to rescue a bit. Or both pawns? Maybe not. Oh, messed that one up as well. So you got 4 seconds free. Oh, very, very sad way of winning, but sorry. I just thought I was testing him. It became a test. Could he finish me off that quickly? But it was an interesting game. Anyway, I have to look at this. I think Rebka, but I think I was definitely. It looks better at one stage. Exchange up. Maybe I should have just taken on E5, because these pieces became terribly well coordinated later. That knight was just fantastic later. So going after this pawn and allowing that knight to come in here. These pawns were just a nightmare. Very well played by the opponent, but he's just a bit too slow. I just thought it was a bit too slow. So I was testing him. Please leave any comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.